Hello my beautiful souls, welcome sa ating tarot reading sessions. Keep in mind, general reading po ito. Maring mag-resonate, maring hindi. Kunin nyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maring mag-shift na energies or magkabaliktad ang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. So let's see. Hoy, Strength card. Leo. 7 of Wands. The Sun. Oh, strong Leo placements. And the Magician. Justice. Libra. 2 of Wands. 5 of Swords. The Emperor. And this bottom card, 7 of Cups. Uy. Options. Daming options. So, meron tayong Aries, Leo, and Libra energy dito. Kuha tayo ng message ng Archangel. So, mukhang may naglalaban sa attention mo ngayon, Naglalaban tong dalawang taon to sa iyong attention ngayon. We have here gifts from God by Archangel Sandalphon. We angels bring you gifts from your Creator. Open your arms to receive. So, ito yung energy nilang dalawa, Nagtatalo, naglalaban-laban para sa'yo. Wow, ang haba ng hair. Maring Leo and Aries. Parehas fire, fighting for you. Maring kaw si Libra or maring kung ano man ang inyong mga signs. So, kuha tayo ng signs and symbol cards natin. Knife and shoes. Oh. Letter, fish, mirror, broom. So, isa sa kanila is your divine counterpart. Waiting shed, bottom card. Okay. So, mukhang mahaba-haba itong anong ito? Combat. Combat, no? Mukhang mahaba-haba itong ano nila. Gagawin nila to win your heart. Parang talagang sisiguraduhin mo kung sino matitira sa dalawang to. Kuha tayo ng messages. Tarot messages, oracle cards. Pero mukhang may lumalamang na sa kanila Pero siguro dahil na rin patatagalin mo to. Gusto mong patagalin to para makasigurado ka. Kasi parang may pagka-paranoid na rin With the 7 of Wands natin dito. Parang gusto mo lang manigurado. Okay, you're so hot. Ito talaga yung tingin nila sa'yo ngayon. You're so hot. Can't sleep. Thinking of you all night long. Can we start again? So, isa sa kanila, kaya may knife tayo dito Yung isa sa kanila is from the past. Na nasaktan ka na nito. Kaya parang ikaw yung energy noon. Parang alangan ka or nagdadalawang isip ka sa taong yun. Pero gusto mong patagalin para matignan kung ano ba talaga intention nila, kung sincere ba ganyan. So, we have here letting you go, walking away. Stubborn but practical. Strong and independent. You're my destiny and the struggle is real. I want to surprise you. Bottom card. Okay, so kuha pa tayong messages. From the hidden truth. I want to feel that way again. I'm grateful for that spiritual lesson. I couldn't let you get close to me. I remember every detail of that day. You came closer than anyone. I wish things could be different. I regret lying to you. And so many things remind me of you. I wish I had treated you better. Ayan, ang sabi ni past. Ngayon, nanghihinayang siya, So, kuha tayo ng initials natin. Letter H. J. Fi. Oops. CM T U X G N R. Bottom card. So, let's see sa ating blue card. We have, ayan, guilty. May guilty dito. Another mirror card. And courage. Okay. So, mukhang may mas matimbang na para sa'yo eh. No? So, syempre, nasa sa'yo yan. Timbangin mo muna mabuti. Kaya magpaka-Libra ka dyan, timbangin mo muna mabuti para hindi ka magkamali. Ayan. So, tingnan natin general signs and messages. So, kung willing to wait naman, ayan, willing to wait, hayaan mo maghintay sila, no? So, tingnan natin general signs and messages. Panindigan nila yan, maghintay sila. So, we have here cold city, intelligent, smart, popular, killer smile, responsible, number 6, sarcastic and 8, funny, amazing, need more signs, emotional, soon, runner card. So, maaaring isa sa kanila may tumakbo na lang bigla. O maaaring yung past person mo na tumakbo. Ngayon is naghahabol. So, we have here divine masculine, birthmark, dimple, number 2, patience please, December, overthinker, trustworthy, private person, nature lover, flower, perfect smile, vulnerable, gorgeous, confusing, South PH, lake, has a dirty sense of humor, sword is air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and September. So, yan ang ating reading, my beautiful souls. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.